Strong compatibility. The code number of our aquarium filter cartridge is S, and the specific size is 3.75 by 0.25 by 2.5 inches. It is very suitable for Minibow Aquarium Filters Size 1/2, 5/5 gallon and QuietFlow E Internal 10 on the market. With this aquarium filter cartridge, you can keep your water healthy every moment. It contains 12-pack aquarium filter cottons, which you can change every 2 to 4 weeks. Excellent filtration performance. The filter cotton is made of cotton and activated carbon, which can filter and absorb 99% of the sundries, so as to keep the water source clean and the healthy growth of fish. Quick installation. Turn off the power in less than 5 minutes, thereby improving time efficiency. Resuming daily activities quickly and filtering in the process that makes a big difference. Just remove the old and filthy filter and replace it. Protect the health and safety of your fish all the time. Long-term replacement of the aquarium filter. According to the test, the filter cotton has already withstood too much sundries for no more than 4 weeks, so you need to replace it with a new one to keep the water source healthy and clean at all times. High-quality after-sales service. HiTauing produces high-quality filter cartridges for fish tank, and is in a leading position in the quality and craftsmanship of all our products. We maintain a thorough quality control process to ensure compatibility with QuietFlow models. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Top reviews from the United States. Good value for the money. I liked the amount of filters for the price. Was worried when I read a few other reviews. Yes, there is an excessive amount of dust from the filters. But it's a simple fix, just rinse well twice to get the dust out. They seem to work just as good as original name brand filer cartridges. So the only thing I can think that the people complaining is they didn't rinse the cartridges beforehand at all? Seems good value for the money.